exploring the phrase, bumpy ride. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, bumpy ride. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. A bumpy ride originally referred to an actual physical experience. Imagine being in a vehicle, maybe a car or a bus, and the road is not smooth. There are a lot of potholes, uneven surfaces, or obstacles. The vehicle shakes and jerks because of these bumps. That's a bumpy ride. In English, many phrases have both a literal and a figurative meaning. Bumpy ride is no exception. When someone says they're in for a bumpy ride, they don't always mean they're going on a literal journey with physical bumps. Instead, they're often referring to a challenging situation or a difficult period in their life. For instance, if someone starts a new job and they know it's going to be tough, they might say, "I think I'm in for a bumpy ride at this new job." Or, if a team is working on a challenging project, they might comment, "Brace yourselves, it's going to be a bumpy ride." Let's put bumpy ride into practice. Here are a few examples. 1. After the company's stocks plummeted, investors were told to prepare for a bumpy ride ahead. 2. Starting a new business can often be a bumpy ride, but the rewards can be worth it. 3. Her first year of teaching was a bumpy ride, but she learned a lot from the experience. And there you have it. Now, not only do you know the literal meaning of bumpy ride, but you also understand its figurative use in everyday conversations. It's these layers of meaning that make language so rich and interesting. We hope this video has been insightful. Remember, every challenge or bumpy ride you face in learning English gets you one step closer to mastery. Keep going, and until next time, happy learning!